Next our card for repair is GTX 980. It's a beast, yeah, pretty decent card. It's just something about me. I'm not that big fan of this company and this color. But yeah, I mean, let's talk and jump right into our work. Test it out. Focus and see what's up. So how customer says, he said that he was playing a game and then all of a sudden it just froze on him, and no matter how many times he tried to reboot it, it didn't give him anything. So I'm already blind. Okay, fine. So yeah, and that's what he said. Fans are spinning. Does not get recognized from a computer. Stocks in consolidation. Chip slightly is getting hot. Nothing on the screen. Same process. Let's disassemble it and have a closer look. Okay, so now let's go over all our. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I dropped my camera, but okay, let's be closer to our business. Let's check main powers. Crystal is safe and not getting hot. So yeah, we can go over our powers. Let's go straight to our crystal. Some millivolts go through. Okay, then memory. We have nothing. PLL. We have nothing. I don't really see anything on the back except a driver for memory and a main driver. So let's go over main powers. 12 volts we have, 5 volts we have, 3 volts, let's check, 3 volts we have. Okay, so yeah, now let's go resistance, because we have our main power but we don't have power to our chips set. Resistance time. Let's go straight for our GPU as 8 ohms is normal, 25 ohms for memory, and by the way I see it's a two-phase one. For those graphic cards is normal. PLL should be more than 200 ohms. 600 is normal. Yeah, on the back I don't really see any more phases. Yeah, so let's go over предохранители. This one is normal, this one is normal, this one okay, this one is out, this one is normal, this one not supposed, no, it's supposed to be normal. Okay, it's normal, this one is normal. Okay, this one, yeah, this one is out. Let's see if we have a short. And we have a short. Let's see if we have actual short or yeah, it's a GPU one, so we won't be able just to put 12 volts and see where it hits up. So what I would do is basically take those coils out, all of those coils out, to separate our power part from a GPU and the memory, and put 12 volts and see what hits up on the board. That's what I would do in case if we don't find the data chips for those keys. This is actually not just keys, this is not just a MOSFETs, this is a MOSFETs and a driver in one chip, so-called Dr-MOSes, if I'm not mistaken. So let me show you. So yeah, how we can see it, this is basically driver and a MOSFETs in all one thing, or in case if we won't find, because sometimes they hide gate, so we won't be able to find a gate. But I kinda familiar with those chips. Let me just double check what model on them. Yeah, it's a 780s. Yeah, for 780s there is a gate. So yeah, let me find a data chip, and yeah, we're gonna go through the keys. So how I said, it's driver and MOSFETs in all one chip. And probably asking how can we basically check. It's simple, same as regular MOSFETs, but we just have to find those pins. So basically we need a gate high. At first we're gonna check a top shoulder, because most of the problem because of them. I mean, oftenly they went out then lower shoulders. So we need a gate high, and we need a switch. Those two pins, and yeah, we just have to find. So gate high, gate low, gate high. It's a 6-pin gate high, and the switch. Yeah, BSS, VH, and H, and we have a bunch of those pins. So basically, just try to remember, is a 6-pin, and from 29th till 35th. Okay, let's check it out. So we're gonna go, how I said, yeah, from a top shoulder and now left, just to measure everything up. 120, 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, 3, 6, 1 volt, 1 volt. Whew, so yeah, looks like this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this one out and see if anything changes, and we're gonna measure straight on this one as well. Same thing, I don't have same exact one. Found just an analogic one, and so on the top working one, and on the bottom not working one. And as well, how I had a look, transistors characteristics are pretty much the same, so should work. And yeah, just double check that we have. I mean, actually, check it out. It's ringing gate, and source is ringing, but actually it's opening. And if we close the transistor, it's actually, oh no, wait. Okay, now it doesn't even close it, because it was closing transistor. But right now, yeah, it's broke completely. And if we check our transistor, it's in working condition. So yeah, let's put it back. Hopefully it worked, because it's not, how I said, same exact one. And yeah, see what's up. Already prepared a place where we're gonna put it in. So yeah, let's just put it in, and I'll show the result. So yeah, did replace it. Let's have a look how it looks like. Yeah, it's gonna look different, because how I said, I couldn't really find same exact one. Yeah, that's how it's looking. And oops, nasty, but yeah, I'm gonna clean it up. I also replaced this predeterminated over here. I already plugged everything in to make a video shorter. Let's just double make sure, because I already dropped a camera today. I don't need any more adventures. And yeah, looks everything perfect. That's for me. Let's just go straight and turn it on. And yes, we have a picture. We have a picture. So yeah, the next step, as usually we do, assemble everything back and run a couple stress tests. Yeah, this card is a beast. I mean, it has 8 phases, not for stock frequencies. Eventually I did increase the frequencies there to have beautiful 1300, and yeah, so all temperatures are just lovely. So it doesn't go over 70 degrees. The top what I had is 71 degree, and the fan speed actually works not even in full, it's about 70%. Love this card. This is a decent good card. Yeah, so I already did test the phase as well. You're more than welcome to check how do I check phases on my previous video where I fixed the 970 card. Yeah, all phases in the working condition too. And what else? Yeah, we can count this card as peaks. And by the way, I'll reveal a little secret. Probably next my video most likely gonna be about I think it's a time for a third part of how repair stores unfortunately deceives us. So we're gonna have a fun next video. And yeah, let's meet up on our next video. Thank you.